This is going to be a tutorial on how to change the waitlist cap on a class through CourseLeaf Section Scheduler, CLSS. Begin by going to the CLSS landing page and clicking on the term in which you want to work, for example, Fall 2018. Then double-click on your department, for example, Anthropology, and then go to the section that you want to edit. For example, ANT 3391, Section 1. There might already be a number in the weight cap box set at 10% of the maximum enrollment. You can edit this number by highlighting, entering a new number, clicking on Save Section, and then clicking on Start Workflow.